Hi, and welcome to the recap of Recovery Week on Wellki.com. This week we explore why it is just as important to focus on how we treat our bodies after working out and all of the things you need to know to ensure your muscles continue to heal and grow. Let's dive right in. Have a nagging joint issue? What about lower back pain? Headaches? Having your body in alignment is crucial to your exercise performance. The Wellki team breaks down a visit to the chiropractor. There's nothing quite like the feeling of a long workout or taking a long run. Wellki contributors Nick and Jeff break down why it feels so good and ways to recover from your longer workouts. A side of recovery often overlooked is that of mental and emotional recovery. Kyle offers some easy ways to incorporate the beneficial practice of meditation into your daily routine. With the weekend coming up, be sure to check out our tips on recovering from a crippling hangover. All of this and more this week on Wellki.com.